Okay, so it is time to get this stuff ready for eBay. Couple things I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys my setup, how I get everything ready for eBay. To be honest, I have never sold this much stuff at one time. It's usually like 10 or 15 things. This is like 50. I already went through, I got prices on all this stuff. It's in a spreadsheet and all the stuff over here that you guys have seen now. Some of this stuff, as I thought, is garbage. So if you see me tossing stuff, it's like maybe we can do something with it sometime. But the problem is not so much what it's worth. Anything that I'm tossing is either under like $20 to $25 and or like if something's $20, that's great. But if there's 100 of them for sale, I'm not going to take the time to box it up and list it. If it's $20 and there's 3 of them for sale, then that's when I go ahead and list it. So I don't like to throw stuff out. I just feel like that is wasteful. And all right, guys, we interrupt this regular scheduled programming for some great news. Just made my first sale on those Boxster wheels.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, this is my father-in-law.
Indo, thank you. Ace, he is a Porsche Club member, drives on the track with Schattenbaum down in South Jersey. There he goes with the wheels with his dad, came to snag him. So I'm pumped, $300 in the bank towards finding myself a new ride. All right, thanks, Ace. I hear all these stories about guys throwing like Model A parts out because actually in this building used to be a car dealership in the 20s and 30s. And the old man that we bought it from talked about how he remembers destroying Model A parts in the back room because they had no use for them. And I just, he was kicking himself about that. And maybe someday 986 Boxsters will be worth something and we'll be kicking ourselves for throwing out these little plastic pieces. Look at 914s now that were always worthless and now they're worth money. So I won't throw it out. If I get desperate, I'll go back to it. But gonna box up what I see some value in, gonna separate out the stuff that doesn't really seem to be worth much, and take pictures and go from there. Get this stuff up and out of here. I wanna show you guys my setup real quick, kind of how I do this. So the process is going to be pictures, package it up, box it up, measure, got my tape right here, weigh, and then I'll put the info back in my spreadsheet. And I'm gonna go through this spreadsheet once I get home again and do a little update on that. So again, here are all the parts. And then down below here, I have all these boxes that are ready to go. So, if something comes in and it looks like a good box, I put it to the side. And then when it's time to sell stuff, I have boxes ready to go. So, and then once I'll also be labeling the boxes so I know what's in everything. And, some of this stuff is gonna not sell for a little bit. So you can just put it away. Once it sells, go grab it off a shelf and get it out. So that's the process. Hope you guys learned a little bit about selling a bunch of shit on eBay. All right, look at this, people. Got some open space out here. I got this whole side boxed up. So I still have all the stuff over here from that parts haul, brakes, brake boosters and stuff. But all that junk that was over here, sorry, not junk, beautiful, beautiful parts for a 986 Boxster are boxed, except for this stuff that really wasn't worth much. So I decided just gonna kind of put that to the side for now, see what happens. I gotta find a box big enough for this piece. This thing's freaking huge. It's 4 feet long. It's the interior carpet piece. But I got, I don't know, 20 or 30 items boxed up, weighed, ready to go on eBay, pictures taken, everything done. And I still have, well, in addition to an entire car, all this stuff for next time. But gonna go ahead, go home now. Got the pictures, get this stuff up on eBay, and do probably 7-day auctions and see what happens. I'm gonna talk a little more about it, but I'm not sure if I want to do auctions for this stuff or just buy it now. I think I'm gonna play around. I have so much stuff that I'm just gonna play around and see what works best for all these items. But that's it for shop time. Time to go home and get to work on eBay. All right, guys, I am at the computer, showered up, and ready to get to work. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching actually between my computer screen and my phone. And the reason for that is because all my pictures are on my phone. And if I did everything on eBay through my computer, I'd have to upload the pictures to my computer and then re-upload the pictures from the computer to eBay, which is really a pain. And I found that it's a lot easier to just do it straight through the app. The eBay app is actually really good. And so take all the pictures and upload straight through the app. And I'll show you, I'm obviously going to go through that now. So let's switch over to the eBay app. Here it is. Here's some parts I was actually checking out. Going to go over to my eBay and then select selling. You'll see here, I have 10 active items right now. I've sold $1,200 worth of stuff in the past 90 days. And we're going to go up and list an item. What's pretty cool about the eBay app, and I'm not sure if you list online, I'm sure it has the same functionality, but if you listed it from your computer, but you can put in the item, like do a search for the item up here at the top, and it will populate with other similar items. So I'm going to go back to the computer here, and I'm actually going to copy paste this part number for the side view mirror. So I copy from my computer, and it'll actually connect to my phone. I can paste right in here. Okay. There we go. So that's the part number for the side view mirror. And then I'm going to put in the keyword Porsche and search. And then it gives you these suggested. The top is usually what you want, but double check. Here, obviously, side view mirror is mirror assemblies. And then here are all these items that are the mirror that I had. Right side view mirror. So I'm just going to kind of select one that looks like it has the best description, because it's going to take everything that's populated in these, in whatever ad I pick, and populate it in the listing for me already. I think this first one is probably the best. And then obviously we're going to select used, continue to listing. And then this pops up with basically all the information I need. So I don't have to put in these part numbers, even has the color. I will put in a description. I will do pricing and obviously shipping. So I'm going to go into my pictures, and here's some other stuff I was doing, then stuff from the weekend, and get down to, there's the Ferrari stuff. We don't want to select this stuff. Okay, now we're getting into this photo shoot that I did. Let's see. Okay, here's the mirror. So I probably picked this one first, and then you can select these like this if you just drag across. And those are the pictures of the mirror. So add those in. I have a bunch of pictures. I have a couple pictures showing a couple of blemishes down on the left side here, those two. All right, so now our pictures are good to go. We hit done. I always like to double check the title just to make sure it's everything that I want it to be. 9704 Porsche Boxster, 986 right passenger side view door mirror silver. I don't like having the word, I don't think we need the word door in there. People put in as much keywords as possible, which I think is usually good, but sometimes they go a little overboard. So that's good. And then category is all good. We checked that. Now for pricing, I'm going to hop back to the computer. I have here a value of $50. I've checked those as I go through again. So put that in and then just look here. So I'm trying to I'm really trying to just get this stuff sold. If you look at pricing here, here's a nice one, $93, free shipping. 85 looks similar to mine, free shipping. 65. So $65 shipping. So like 60, $65 seems to kind of be the bottom of the barrel. I think I'm going to go in and list this at 50 with free shipping. Again, I want someone to come on here, need a silver one, find mine, see it looks in good condition, and just buy it, because there are a lot of these, as you can see, and I want it gone. So now we will we'll go back to the eBay app, and first we'll do the description. Passenger side mirror for 986 Boxster in silver. Part number, and then we'll grab this from the computer again to paste it in. OEM Porsche in good condition with a few small blemishes as pictured. So I always take pictures of stuff that's wrong with parts, and then I'm just upfront honest about it. 2 reasons for that. First reason is I just like to do business that way. Second reason is if someone gets a part that isn't as described, they're just going to return it, and you have to send them their money back and then either pay to ship it back to you or just not get it back. So try to be honest with those descriptions. For pricing, I've been doing a lot of research, and it looks like buy it now is the way to go. Buy it now with free shipping. Everybody, all these guys doing parts, buy it now with free shipping. So buy it now, $50. Yeah, that was by accident. We do want to do offers. If someone offers me 45, I'll do it. So I like to do offers. I don't know. Okay. And okay, that is good there. This stuff I don't really touch. It's kind of preset in there. But we do have to do shipping. So again, for free shipping, I'm not sure if it's easier on the computer, but you kind of have to go through a little bit of process here. You have to enter weight, details, and then you actually have to hit that you don't know them. And then when you go back, it will enable you to do economy shipping, and then you can select offer free shipping. So that's that. I always select local pickup. I'm always down at the shop anyway. If someone wants to come by, they're welcome to. And that's really it. So we hit list your item. Takes a second. And we're good to go. Got another item active on eBay, 11. So hopefully that was helpful. Quick little tutorial on how to sell this stuff. I will see you guys when I get back into the garage tomorrow. All right. See you next time.